Welcome to the presentation of Dardha 1 Hydro Station project. Dardha 1 project includes the design, construction and operation of a hydro plant situated in the northeast of Albania in the Dardha river valley. The scheme of hydro station utilizes the waters of the Dardha river and its two main branches on the right bank. The main characteristics of the project are: installed power 5,800 kW, Pelton turbine with two nozzles, which turbinate an influx maximum of 1,300 liters per second. Intake 1, level 1049.55 meters, flow 700 liters per second. Intake 2, level 1047 meters, flow 300 liters per second. Intake 3, quote 1047 meters, flow 300 liters per second. Length of non-pressure pipeline 5 kilometers, material reinforced plastic pipeline. Pressure pipeline, material steel 914 millimeters diameter, length 1650 meters. Quota of plant 472 meters. Net height 560 meters. The design was completed by Beteru, a French company with vast experience in small-size hydro plants. The technical solution of hydropower is determined on the basis using in optimum the topography of the basin, as well as utilizing an optimal height of the water intakes from the plant. The project includes 3 water intakes, no pressure pipeline that connects the water intakes, pressure pipeline, the powerhouse with turbine, and electrical equipments. A 110 kV electrical substation. The reservoirs at the water intakes 1, 2, 3 are created by building a small overspill dam. The weir of the dam is at the 1049.55 meters for VM1 and 1047 meters for VM2 and VM3. From basin, water following the decanter, it enters in the non-pressure pipeline. This pipeline conducts the water from water intakes 1 and 2, joining the metal pipeline coming from the water intake number 3. No pressure pipelines are PRV type, a mix of resin, fiberglass and silica sand that can be used up to 30 bar pressure. From this point starts the pipe of the pressure, the penstock of our hydro plant with a length of 1,650 meters and a difference of altitude of 577 meters. All the civil works, including the opening of the access road to the powerhouse, the path of the non-pressure pipeline, the construction of the water intakes, the construction of the powerhouse. Also, all the other concrete works during penstock, no-pressure pipeline and the installation of the non-pressure pipeline are completed from the joint venture A&K and Vlasnimi Deda. All this was accomplished with the strong support from the Prendi family and the participation of a workforce from the community that have shown a good workmanship, desire to work, and have supported this project all the way through. The metalworks of the water intakes are designed by Betterou, France, and produced and installed by Topuzi company, Elbasan, Albania. The hydraulic groups of the water intakes are installed by Cargotec and Siemco, Durrës, Albania. The penstock has been produced by the famous Balkan plant of metal pipes in Ferizaj, Kosovo, NTP Ferizaj, and installed with great success from EDG company from Kosovo. They have shown high workability, a lot of patience that comes from their great skill and long experience that secured the accomplishment of very difficult work. Inside the plant we find installed a turbine of 5.8 megawatt, a generator, the hydraulic group of the turbine, the panels of high and medium voltage, control command and automatization part and auxiliary panels. The turbine is produced by the French production company Mecamidi. The generator of 6.8 megavolt ampere is produced in Spain by the company Indar. The electrical installations are designed by Elbas Schneider and Eltest company. The electrical installations included the construction of a 110 kV substation, the connection with the 110 kV Fiers-Fouchard's existing line, and the installation of all high-tension, middle-voltage and low-voltage panels. The works are completed with high professionalism and diligence by Electranet Albania. Dardha substation is designed, equipped and installed with the most contemporary and highest European standards. The substation was connected successfully with the 110 kV Fiers-Fouchard's line on March 15th this year. The system of control and commands is regulated automatically by the French company Circea, which also designed the system. After all we mentioned above was completed, the first kilowatt was produced on April 17, 23:10 p.m. A big thank you goes to all the teams involved and to the support of the Dardha village and the community around. Thank you to CNR and Uliat invaluable support and guidance. Thank you and see you later in the next hydro plant.